Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your virus and threat protection is managed by your organization in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the bottom search bar, please type for CMD. The moment you have typed it, a best match, which is a command prompt system, would appear, where here you need to go with run as administrator. So tap on it and you would be able to receive a notification of your user account control asking you to say yes. Simply proceed with yes so that you would be able to open this window. Okay? Here you need to copy a command text at the description box below. I'll be pasting it there. So copy it, Control C to copy. Once done, press it here or paste it here, Control V to paste. Again, it is reg space delete space open quotation mark HK underscore local underscore machine backward slash software backward slash policies backward slash Microsoft backward slash Windows Defender close quotation mark space forward slash V space disable anti-spyware and click on enter. So it will ask you to delete the registry value disable anti-spyware, yes or no. Type Y, okay. And the moment you have typed on Y, we will give on permission on deleting the value which is to disable anti-spyware. So this is one of the reason why you have face an error is that you have disabled anti-spyware. Okay. So to delete is registry value. Please type on Y and click on enter. Wait until the procedure would be done, okay? And once you're done, close this window and check if your problem has been fixed. So here at the bottom search bar, please type for settings. Proceed with the best match which has the square icon and click on open to continue. Okay, so once you are here at the settings, please proceed with the privacy and security, tap on it, and look for Windows security at the very first options. Click on it and go with open Windows security. So once you are here in this window called Windows security, check if your virus and threat protection is still being managed by your organization. Okay? So I'm sure it will be fixed this time since you have deleted the disable anti-spyware key. Okay, so close this window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.